So around a week ago, there has been a new AI released into the public, which is called DeepSeek. And I wanted to talk about this AI a little bit because of its unique features and what it can do. So if you're not familiar with DeepSeek AI, it's pretty new, so I'm just gonna talk about it a little bit. It's an AI which is open source. You can find it at GitHub, and you can actually download this AI and run it locally on your machine. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. What it is, it's an open source free AI by some Chinese people that is outsourcing and outstanding the OpenAI O1 model. And if you look at these graphs, it's almost better than the OpenAI O1, which is $200 per month, and it's very expensive. And you can get this free AI for nothing, and it's open source, so you can install it on your computer and maybe tweak the source code a little bit, or enhance it, or do anything with it. And it's, as I said, almost better than OpenAI's O1 model. So why am I making this video, and why am I talking about this AI? So if you sign up to their platform, you can get the free access to the AI through your web browser or through a mobile application. So a very unique feature that it has is this DeepThink feature. And if I type in anything here without the DeepThink feature, I will ask it, how do I start gaining subscribers on YouTube? Right, and it responds to you as any other AI with this prompt that you could recognize, and nothing is special here except for its capabilities, as we have seen in this graph. But a very cool feature that I wanted to talk about today is this DeepThink feature. So if I enable it and I type in anything here, so let's say I want to learn how to implement bubble sort algorithm in, let's say, Python. So let me just ask it, explain to me bubble sort in Python with this DeepThink feature enabled. And if I click send, we can actually see that we don't only get the output of the AI, but we can actually see its thoughts. And it is thinking about how it is implementing the bubble sort algorithm in Python. So why is it a cool feature? It's because you are not only getting that answer that the original AI is giving to you. Here, the real answer begins after this thinking like other gray color, and this is the real answer that it gives us. But we can see actually how the AI thinks and how it implements the bubble sort algorithm in this case. And it says that, so the steps are start with unsorted list, blah blah blah, and then it is just writing the code and explaining everything to itself while it is doing it. So if you want to learn something like algorithms or anything at all, and you want to ask AI about how to do it, you will not only get the answer to how to implement this algorithm, but you will also see its thoughts. So for example, here, an example walkthrough, let's take 51428, and it's thinking about how the algorithm will work on each number. So it swaps 5 with 1 here, then it swaps, 4 with 5, and then 2 with 5s, and then that's the sorted algorithm. And you will see every single step while it is implementing this algorithm. In this case, you can ask it anything you want, as it is AI. And yeah, so the DeepThink feature is what really helps me at the moment. If I am learning something, I will ask it to do something like I'm learning hacking. So if I will ask him how do I perform this SQL injection and how does it work, I will see its thoughts, and then I will basically be able to get inside the AI's thoughts and see how it thinks, and maybe it will change the way I think about the subject in a better way, of course, and I will learn from it. So that's how we can utilize this AI to make our learning a lot better. But I wanted to also show you how do you install it on your local machine. So if you're on Linux, you can go to this Ollama website. If you type in Ollama, DeepSeek R1, like that, and then click on this first link, you can select the model that you want to install. So of course the big version, that one which competes with OpenAI, is 404 gigabytes. It's very large, and you also need a lot of GPU power to run it. For this example, I will just show you with 1.5 billion parameters. So it is only 1.1 gigabyte compared to the other ones. So to install it, just go to the download page to download Ollama, copy this command, run it in Linux. I have already ran it and it's already installed for me. Then just select the model that you want and then scroll down. Here we can see, here we can see the command. Just copy this command and then paste it in. First time it will install for you the DeepSeek R1 model. It's already installed for me, so it will just run in a second here. And once it runs, you can just basically interact with the AI on your local machine. So if I type in how do I implement a bubble sort algorithm as an example, it will also think like the DeepThink model as we saw on the website, and its thoughts are like in this HTML format here. It says think, and it's giving me the answer on implementing the bubble sort algorithm because I asked it, and yeah, I can just sort of run it locally on my computer without interacting with the website. So that's pretty cool, and you can modify the source code as well. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Take care.